Just had this alloy wheel brought in. It's one that I'd repaired a crack on previously, and yeah, it's got a crack again. And at first I thought, oh heck, is my weld cracked? But as often happens, the wheel has cracked again right next to where I've welded it. So my weld is here and then it's cracked here. You can see it better on the side. Yeah, I've seen this before. I don't know if there's any way around it. Obviously, where you're welding it, you're getting this up to pretty high temperatures, enough to anneal the metal that the thing is cast out of. And is that now not as strong as it was before? Wouldn't you think that annealing is softer and it would have a bit more give in it? But no, doesn't happen, it cracks. Don't know whether the alloy of the wheel is a factor. I've always thought that there's different alloys that wheels are made of. Some are just marked ALSI7 and some are marked ALSI7MG, and generally if it's got a bit of magnesium in it, it's a bit harder. This wheel, you can find it. Oh, ALSI7MG 0.5. Nope, 0.3. Made in Turkey. Even though I think it's a genuine Mercedes wheel. Oh my God. AMG, but yeah, it still cracks. Also, a thick solid rim, which you might think could be stronger, but I think sometimes it's a bit too rigid, not enough give in it. So we've got another crack to weld up. Also, it's 9J by 20, so it'll have low profile tyres on it, which is never good. And there's a date on here too. 2015. So it's 8 years old now. Right, so that's all carved out. There's a lot of work on these rims because they're so thick. You've really got to cut deep into it from both sides, this side and the other side, so that you know that when you weld it, your welds are going to meet in the middle and be a nice, solid, fully penetrated weld.